Hello again, everybody. Lewis at GSpeed. I'm showing you the next step of spherical bearing install. Just installed the bearings into these guys, and now we have our rotor clips. You can see this is a twisted clip, a little bit complicated to put in, but I'm going to show you how to make it real easy. When you get your package, typically it'll come boxed like this. You can see I've got external clips, I've got the internal clips, bearings, spacers, and housings. Okay, and so these are what we're working with, this clip right now. And the problem is how do you install this easily? So if you see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to spread him apart. Okay, let's get a little bit of a stretch to him. Okay, it's spring steel, so it doesn't matter, it's not going to hurt it. And then I use, take your pick, I use a pen or a small screwdriver or envelope opener. We just need something sharp. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it. You see I got the one tip right there. See, it's already started. Once I get him fed, all I do, work the rest of it around. That's it. We're installed. Make sure you have uniformity all the way around. Sometimes if you have a scenario where the bearing is not in all the way, you'll notice that there will be a gap here. If there's a gap here between the bearing and the face of the housing, that can be an issue. Just make sure that the clip goes in all the way and you're off to the races.